This is my first time in the Scat Pack. He gonna give me a little ride, so we gonna see how this car feel.
Yeah, give him a little taste of the Scatty life.
Yeah, my first time in the Scatty. I know it's embarrassing, but it is what it is, man.
That motherfucker sounds so damn good, bro. That bit hard as fuck. I like that tune, whatever you.
We're gonna take a ride on. Might as well be this.
Yeah, might as well be this one. This thing is loud, boy. Really feel the kickback on that already.
We got some kick.
Oh, I believe it.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I hope I am.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yo, I almost flew in the back seat. Yo. I see why you don't give a fuck about no Hellcat, man. Yo, almost scared my fucking. Yo, man, you think the Rona gonna give me, man? You gonna give me a heart attack? Yo, this the footage you wanted?
That's what you wanted.
Oh my, I thought you were talking about something else.
You talking about from the dash cam?
Oh, you see me on the. Done this to him before.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, he was warning me too, like, yo, don't do it, but I'm like, what? You know what I mean? Yo, this is crazy. Oh my God, yo. Yo, this is crazy, man. I'm glad you gave me that test drive, because I definitely couldn't do no shit like that, yo. Oh shit, man. It was fun though. I ain't gonna lie, you scared the shit out of me. It was fun though.
I mean, we hit a quick 85.
Yeah, yo. Yo, I don't even want to open this door, man. You got my nerves going, man. Oh shit. Oh man. Yo, B. Yo. My man. Listen, man.
Listen to me.
Thank God they ain't giving us at the dealership. Yo, at the car rental. Yo, God damn. Don't, you heard this, man? Don't do it.
Well, you know, it's not stock. It's not stock. It's not stock.
Yo, B, don't do it. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Isn't that what Drake said?
You definitely gonna have to give me that clip.
I got you.